In 2022, Tesla Giga Shanghai increased its contribution to the company's sales by 48% compared to 2021. Last year, the Shanghai factory delivered 54% of all vehicles produced by Tesla. And when the China factory was announced, people came out and said it was a huge mistake. Elon Musk proved them wrong again. Well done, Tesla Shanghai, super impressive. Tesla's Shanghai Gigafactory delivered about 710,000 vehicles in 2022, the company said on Thursday. Model Y deliveries topped 450,000 units and Model 3 deliveries topped 250,000, the report said. This result reflects an increase of 48% compared to 2021, which is a strong result, highlighting the significant increase in production capacity. Tesla reported that in 2022, it delivered almost 1,314,000 electric vehicles, which means that 54% of all deliveries were of cars made at Giga Shanghai. In 2023, the role of Giga Shanghai factory in deliveries may decline as Giga Berlin and Giga Texas began to contribute more significantly to the number of vehicles produced by Tesla. China was chosen as the first Tesla factory outside the United States for a reason. The country has the largest automotive market in the world, and the hard work of its people gives great advantages in the production. Giga Shanghai is known for how quickly it was built. In fact, only 10 months passed from laying the foundation to the start of the test production. I'm not aware of any factory of this magnitude in history being constructed in such a short time period of time, said Tesla CEO Elon Musk. Of course, this was due to significant support from the Chinese government, something that Tesla does not have at home, sadly. The original goal of the factory was to produce 250,000 electric vehicles per year. Test production began at the end of 2019, starting Tesla's success story in China. The whole world has witnessed how quickly the manufacturing team in China is ramping up production, which has become a source of admiration. They set a really high bar and became a role model for the entire automotive industry. In another note, friends, recent data posted by the UK Society of Motor Manufacturers and Traders has revealed something quite extraordinary. While Tesla seems to be facing challenges in China, the electric vehicle maker's two best-selling vehicles, the Model Y crossover and the Model 3 sedan, are still dominating their respective segments in some countries abroad. In December 2022, for example, the Tesla Model Y was listed by the SMMT as the UK's #1 best-selling vehicle with sales of 10,664 units. Following the Model Y was the sedan sibling, the Model 3, which was listed with sales of 5,704 electric vehicles. It should be noted that the two electric cars from Tesla dominated the UK's auto market in December, and it was not even close. Following the Model 3 in third place was the Nissan Qashqai, which had 3,506 sales in December. It should be noted that the Qashqai is a far more affordable vehicle than both the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y, which made the two all-electric vehicles' performance in the United Kingdom auto market last month even more impressive. So notable was the Model Y's presence in the United Kingdom auto market that it actually made it to the country's overall best-selling vehicle list for the full year. Friends, in another Tesla news, the Tesla Giga Shanghai is now stormed by delivery trucks as production resumes. So Tesla Giga Shanghai is resuming production at high speed and preparing to ship cars to customers as the plant is being stormed by deliveries trucks and haulers. Rumors of production stoppage at Giga Shanghai circulated late last year, which caught many off guard with Tesla's typical end-of-year production and delivery pushes. The automaker clarified the stoppage, indicating it was carrying out annual production line maintenance. This is a standard practice and many corporations do this in many factories. Workers were able to rest while the maintenance was performed. Following the line upgrade and optimization, Tesla is resuming production at full speed, according to a new video from drone operator Wuva, who has followed Giga Shanghai's progress for several years. By the way, I will have the link of Wuva's videos in the description of this video, guys, so you can use it. Evidently, Tesla is ramping up manufacturing and production to resume normal levels before it takes a reportedly scheduled hiatus for the Chinese New Year from January 20 to January 31. Giga Shanghai will be operational from January 3 to January 19, according to a report. Tesla has not confirmed these dates yet. Friends, Tesla is planning to take full advantage of the operational days in January, and it is evident from Wuva's new video. While the plant is buzzing with activity as workers being manufacturing Model 3 and Model 3 all-electric vehicles, what was more striking was the number of vehicle haulers placed outside the factory awaiting completed vehicles to be loaded so they can be driven to their destinations. As a drone operator at the Giga Shanghai plant since 2019, Giga Shanghai's first days, Wuva made interesting comments about the number of haulers present at the factory's campus. Here's what he said. He said, "I was impressed by the line of haulers waiting to enter the factory outside and the neatly arranged haulers in the factory parking area. I counted about 45 haulers parked on site, the most I've ever seen so far, and it was clear that Tesla has picked up the pace of logistics." Giga Shanghai does not only provide Tesla vehicles for Chinese customers. The company has routinely used the plant as an output hub for several years, feeding Model 3 units to the European market, among others. Friends, although Tesla Giga Shanghai Q4 figures were strong, the automaker suffered a decrease in wholesale units in December. Tesla China sold just 55,796 vehicles to either domestic or foreign customers, a 44% decrease compared to November 2022. Tesla will be looking for another solid year from Giga Shanghai and will be looked at as a supernatural piece of sales in Europe, actually supplemental piece of sales in Europe. The automaker experienced a step up in the competition in the Chinese market in 2022, and with China boss Tom Zhu accepting a higher role within Europe and the United States, it will be an interesting year for the automaker's Chinese plants. I'd love to hear from you. If you have any comments, concerns, questions, please let me know, friends, in the comment section below. In the meantime, I also wanted to tell you that today I just learned that, remember those Tesla Model Ys that were parked at Berlin airport? I had 2 video reports on them. Well, today I learned that they are destined for Taiwan, and I'm planning to prepare another video report after this about what those vehicles were, as one German publication went little bit deeper and found out more details, and I want to report that for you. In the meantime, this is Armen Harayan from TalkNews.com. Please subscribe to this channel and give us thumbs up. If you liked this video, please give us thumbs up, share social media, tweet it out, and subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla electric vehicle news, and ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage, which I'm going to next after this. God bless you, peace be with all of you, and I'll see you soon in our next report.